everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Every Day. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jason. Good to see you again. Or good to hear you again.
Today, we're talking about something very important in real life. Your feelings.
Yeah, feelings are part of daily life. If you want to speak natural English, you need to say how you feel.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything super simple, super natural, and super fun.
Right. Short sentences, easy examples, and lots of repetition.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our daily English lessons.
All right, are you ready?
Let's go! Let's start with the most positive feeling, happy. I'm happy.
Nice and easy. Let's say it together. Ready? I'm happy.
You say it now. Good job.
Example time. I'm happy when I drink my morning coffee.
I'm happy when I finish my work early.
I'm happy when I see my friends.
Simple, right? Good. Let's continue.
Sometimes we feel low, and it's okay. Say, I'm sad.
Repeat after us. I'm sad. Nice work.
Example. I'm sad when it rains all day.
I'm sad when I lose my keys.
Emily loses her keys a lot.
Yeah, I really do. Ooh, this one is common. I'm tired.
Great for mornings or nights or anytime, really.
Repeat it. I'm tired. Good.
Example. I'm tired after work.
I'm tired when I don't sleep enough.
I'm tired after cleaning my room. Ugh, cleaning.
Ooh, I love this one. I'm excited.
More energy. I'm excited.
Example. I'm excited for the weekend.
I'm excited to watch a new movie.
I'm excited to learn English today.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Another important emotion. I'm angry.
But say it calmly, not like, I'm angry.
Jason, relax. Let's say it normally. I'm angry.
Example, I'm angry when the internet is slow.
I'm angry when people lie.
Good examples. Keep going.
Sometimes we feel fear. Say, I'm scared.
Example, I'm scared of big dogs.
I'm scared of spiders. Ooh.
Same here.
Nervous is like scared, but smaller. Ready? I'm nervous.
Example, I'm nervous before a test.
I'm nervous before speaking English. But hey, you're getting better, so don't worry.
Oh man, everyone feels this sometimes. I'm bored.
Example, I'm bored at home with nothing to do.
I'm bored during long meetings.
Good emotion. I'm surprised.
Example. I'm surprised by your gift.
I'm surprised when my friend calls me late at night.
This is great for English learners. Say, I'm confused.
Example, I'm confused by long grammar rules.
I'm confused when people talk too fast.
But that's why we're here.
This is the basic question. How do you feel?
Repeat. How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just tired.
See? Simple and helpful.
Use this when someone looks sad or upset. What's wrong?
Example,
Jason, what's wrong?
I'm upset. My phone isn't working.
Poor Jason. Good morning, Jason. How do you feel today?
I'm tired. But I'm happy.
Happy? Nice. Why?
Because it's sunny today.
I'm a little stressed.
Why?
I have too much work.
Oh, really? That's tough.
Jason, how do you feel about the weekend?
I'm excited.
Wow. Why?
I'm meeting my friends.
Nice.
Simple and positive. I feel good.
Example: I feel good after a long walk. I feel bad when I'm late.
I feel bad when I forget something important.
I feel better now after resting.
I feel better now after drinking water.
Describe feelings using reasons. Let's combine feeling plus reason. This is very natural English. Pattern is I'm plus feeling plus because plus reason.
Yes, example. I'm hungry because I skipped breakfast.
I'm happy because my friend visited me.
I'm nervous because I have an interview.
I'm bored because I have nothing to do.
Okay, listen to Jason. After he speaks, you tell us the feeling.
I didn't sleep last night. I'm tired.
Good job.
My friend gave me a gift. I'm surprised.
Nice.
It's raining all day. I'm sad.
Perfect. You're doing great today. Really.
Yeah, learning feelings helps you speak more naturally.
And you're improving already, step by step.
And remember, mistakes are normal.
Okay, friends, let's review today's key feelings.
Repeat after us. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm excited. I'm angry. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm bored. I'm surprised. I'm confused.
Great job!
Really, great job.
Before we go, here's today's question. How do you feel right now?
Tell us in the comments. Are you happy? Tired? Excited?
We want to know.
All right. Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and
Both speak English every day.